Ever wonder what's swimming under Navarre Beach Pier? Stay with us as we try something new for us, dropping a GoPro into the Gulf and see what we could catch on camera, not a hook. I had hoped to be able to see the live view on my phone through the GoPro app, but the second it hit the water, the preview was gone. A little disappointing, honestly. No idea what we captured until I pulled it back up. First couple drops were in shallow water. Mostly we just found bait fish. A sea turtle swam over one of our drops. Unfortunately, it didn't show up on the GoPro, but I did manage to catch it on the surface. And then this, to the left side, barely visible, a ray leaves its hidden spot in the buried sand. Here's that moment again. Slow down so you can really see it. Nature has some pretty amazing camouflage. Our views on the GoPro are at the mercy of the currents, and we were lucky to barely get this shot. The water under the pier is full of life. A few fish swim right up to the lens, curious or maybe just showing off for the camera. Do you recognize any of these species of fish? Help us out. Let us know. Drop them in the comments. My favorite moment. This little crab walked straight toward the camera, paused, turned, and walked off like it had somewhere better to be. Our favorite places to stay. There's Regency, where we've stayed in the past, and the Summer Winds, the condo we stayed in our last couple of trips. As the sun started to set, the first GoPro drop on the pier was a learning experience, but I'd call it a success. If you want to try GoPro drops like we did here, scan the code for the camera and accessories. Or for a great place to stay on Navarre Beach, just scan this code also to check out Summerwind, Regency, and more on Verbo. Links are also in the description below. These are affiliate links. If you book or buy through them, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It helps support the channel. Please like and subscribe for the next adventure.